Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Playing Crazy. Today we're going to be continuing our seaplane that we just built, and we're entering episode 3 of this. So we're going to be continuing with the tail, and hopefully the vertical stabilizer, and also the horizontal stabilizer. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. So for the tail, I believe going downward is going to be the way to go here. So I'm just going to go build a little bit of compressor tower, and I'm gonna be back with you guys after I finish the first compartment. But at this point of the video, I honestly was just trying to figure out how to make the rudder and the elevator work together and not actually bug each other out, because I've been messing around with it so long at this point that it seems like I've been spending my most of my time just trying to fix the thing. And also it looks a bit off. You can see that the actual moving part on the rudder is just too big. Later in the video I'm gonna be changing that. I'm gonna make it only one block wide or one block long, so hopefully you guys gonna like the end result. Here you can see in the video I deleted a lot of the blocks behind, so it's only one block long. But making planes like this, you gotta like understand the proportion of a plane, because obviously when you have something a little bit off, it just doesn't look right and the plane just doesn't feel well. And it's one of those things where the rudders must must fit with the entire plane. You can't make the rudder too big or too small, too long or too short, and that goes the same for the other sections of the planes, be that the nose, the tail, or the wings, and also the engines, because once there's one thing off, the whole plane just kinda don't look right at all. And Q and E works, but not that much the other way around. We're gonna fix that. 0.45. So it's not touching it in, not touching out of it, and it has 45-degree angle. Nice. That is so nice. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Fuck. Oh dang it. Okay, wait. Okay, finally. Alright, that's good. It's good, right? I feel like it needs a little bit. It needs to be a little bit larger now. Because that's too small. I got an idea. What if we smash okay, this good and then one of this and then fill it up with plates. So we always do, like so. Okay. Fortunately we get a respawn because the one block is missing. There we go. You know what? You know what? That's perfect. That's perfect. Here, as you guys can see, I just copied the rudder to the other side, so now we have twin rudders. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks good. Oh, yeah, also change this. There you go. That's exactly 45. The other way around is also 45. And then up 45 degree, down 45 degree. That's nice. I think we gotta add the bracing now with a little bit of trails, and hopefully that should be it for the video. Yeah, there you go. You got one of it at least. Should be good. And you can't really see it, but it's there. And it should be good now. It is looking real nice now. Come on. What? What is spawn me angled, man? Look at that. There you go. There should be a hatch on top of it. I'm planning to add like some, I don't know, some accessibility. So in real life, you could actually repair. I don't know if that's realistic though, but I just thought it was going to be cool. If we can add it now. So it's there. Yeah, just gotta do a little bit of this. There you go. Should be able to get out of there. There you go. Oh man, this is really nice. Ah, I forgot. Ah, I forgot about that. Alright. Uh, yeah, we don't want this to be non-collision. Want the collision on. So, and this one too. This one too. There you go. Now, should be able to navigate through the thing. Ah, stop. and we'll be able to fix it. Jump over there, fix this side. That is really nice. Yeah. Okay. Now what? Gonna save the gunner part and the weaponry for last episode, I think, because I don't want to be bothered with that just yet. I gotta add the weldings, the structure, and we're gonna add the video after that. I'm spamming the keys so hard right now, come on. Okay, there we go. Coping inside. Oh, that's not even touching. To the other side now. Okay, yeah, that looks nice. And we can get out here, do a little bit of fixing. Only if those exist, unfortunately not. But that's alright. And we can also go to the front, you know. I will probably add the door somewhere here, maybe two, there and there, so it's a hatch. And there's another door here. There might be even a door under here. I'm not sure how that's gonna go because this is Seaplane. Well, we'll see. We'll definitely see. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a door here as well. Because this is gonna be I think there's gonna be rooms inside, so it's gonna be the bunk beds, the rooms, the whatever you wanna call them. And I think that's gonna be it. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe down below, so it motivates me to make more videos like this. And I guess that's it. See you soon. Goodbye.